RGTI is trending up 4.74%, has just picked up more momentum as we speak. Intraday high of 48.23 printed yesterday, the 8th. Yeah, so this is Thursday, the 9th of October 2025. The stock has now become a battleground between retail investors and short sellers, each convinced about their opinions with regard its valuation and the company's position in the rapidly evolving computing sector. Short sellers are really skeptical, pointing out that the company has financial challenges and that it's meme driven, whereas bulls are saying that they see the company's multi chip architecture as a scalable advantage and believe quantum computing will play a critical role in the future breakthroughs across industries like cryptography, pharmaceuticals, finance, and AI, amongst other things. So yes, it's picking up strength. It's actually one of the most active in this session today, the 9th of October. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Higher prices are expected to remain in place at least up till Monday the 13th. Then after that, we may get a contraction going all the way towards Wednesday the 15th. Then after that, we may resume the uptrend. And maybe from Tuesday the 28th, we may see a contraction. No guarantee that this will be the case at all. Projections on this daily chart has not saying anything to the upside. It has a downward projection of 20.05. Intraday high for the 8.23. Not It's just fractionally, if you like, modestly a premium to the current price of $45 and some fraction. Price pressure momentum's easily trending, easily the 10 and 21 day moving averages are trending robustly. Both are over 10x above the base of 0.25. A value of 0.25 indicates that the correspondent moving average is trending. So you can see the 10-day moving average is at 3.6 over 10x, and easily the 21-day moving average is at 4.72 over 10x, and their derivatives are all robustly trending as well, indicating that if there's any short selling, if there's any profit taking, it hasn't dented the momentum that has been built up over several months now. If you have a look at the 4-hour chart, all of those will be amplified as well. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, what we have is more of a sideways movement that may get distributive from Thursday the 14th of October, and then maybe from Thursday the 16th there might be the resumption of the uptrend may resume. These extrapolations, they're not guaranteed to play out like this. They're not guaranteed at all. We are talking about extrapolations going towards so many hours ahead. We can even see here. We earlier on we had the stock was up only 1%, roughly 1% or thereabout. It has now since gone on to 4.32%. As I mentioned earlier on, it's some consider the stock a meme stock. It's on that list. There's a new meme ETF that was launched a couple of days ago, and RGTI is on that list. So a lot can happen between now and then. You know, the stock has also defied short skeptics and their short positions, and has continued to print higher prices. So the point I'm trying to make is that even though the algos are projecting contractions and sideways movements, they may not turn out to be the case. Even the upward projections that we have here, for instance, we have here really ambitious ones, they may not print out as well. But the stock has continued to print higher prices. So you do the maths, you decide whether what it is for you as with regard to RGTI. So as of about 2 weeks ago, Monday the 29th, projections were saying, beginning with downward projections, 29.89, 30.55, 31.62. Then upper projections 48.71, which is a validation of, if you like, to some extent, 48.23. Yeah, let's see where we are again. Okay, so and then beyond that we have 56.32, 61.02. So this all of these are on its 4-hour chart. Okay, so what we can do is apply the market grid to see what the projections are saying. Or before we do that, we could just jump to the 1 minute chart, given that we had this intraday high yesterday. Is there any point of doing that? We've already seen. Okay, yeah, we could do that. Okay, 48.52. Yeah, a validation of this intraday high, 48.23. Let's see. Okay, we can go to the 5 minute chart and see the 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have. 48.23, 44.58. Let's come all the way back here for $6. Nothing really. Okay, we've seen really ambitious projections here on the 4-hour chart. We have here 61.02. I think that's sufficiently ambitious. Yeah, that's a decent premium from the current levels. That will be almost that will be 30% or thereabout from the current level. $61 is about 30% from current levels, and you can't ask for anything better than that for now. So let's have a look at the market grid to see what it's projecting. So the market grid is here. It's good thing it is contracting expansion. So and the stock hasn't really exploded. So the range is between 45 and 45.98 and 40.94. That's a range of almost $5. It's a tight range. So volatility is not so much as such. So the thing about this market grid is that it's after expansions it begins to contract, because naturally that's what stocks do. When they expand, they contract, and when they contract, maybe there might be another explosion again, another expansion. So in the interim it's contracting. Maybe it may expand again. Let's see what we have on the 1 hour chart. How yeah, okay, let's see what the range is saying. We have between 48 and 40, 48.16 and 41.72. I think here it's also roughly $6 and some fraction in terms of range. It's $6 range, a range of around $6. The spread is around $6. Okay, let's see what we have on the daily chart. Let's see what we have here. It's also, yeah, it's a lot bigger here. It's between 48.89 and 37.57. It's a bigger range. Roughly, um, you could just say roughly, okay, it's actually more. It's around 11 and 11.3 dollars and some fraction. $11.32 range. Yeah, $11.32 range. That's a bigger one. You know, which to the upside we have 48.89. All of them seem to be, there's a lot of convergence around that $48. So that's that we could just say that this is a hurdle for the stock. $48. We have, I think, 48.89. Maybe if it does that, then we are looking at the prospects of challenging. The next bet will be, let's get to the 4 hour chart. If it does that, then we are the prospects of testing 56.32 probably improves. It would improve. It would improve. Yeah. So the interim, yeah, 48 point. You can see here we also have 48.71. It has just keep on. It has just continued to surface. Yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of RGTI. It is one of the most active stocks right now. It is one of the most active. We could just go ahead and see where it is on that list. here on Charles Schwab. Let's see what it's going to tell us. Yeah, let's see where it is. RGTI, it's on number four, the fourth largest. 74.9 million shares have crossed the tape so far. Yeah, have a look and see what you make of RGTI. And thank you very much for watching this video.